DaVinci Resolve for iPad has a new update. We have version 21.0.4. This update just dropped 6 hours ago, and if we come here to the App Store and we click here on what is new, you can always see the version history. You can come up here and then click here on more, and then you see all of the update notes, and it's a very simple one. The two biggest ones is Relink clip can now relink proxies with different formats. That's cool. And DRT imports automatically relink to existing nested clips if presented. Selected clips stay in the view with a clip filter change in the color page. So this is a very, very minor update, addressed a couple of other improvements and also general performance and stabilization improvements. If we come here to DaVinci Resolve, we still have all of the pages. If you're new to my channel, hey and welcome, I'm Daniel. This channel is all about DaVinci Resolve, especially here on the iPad. And on the iPad, we can also open all of the other pages with the shortcuts. If you have never seen that, there is a video here on my channel where I show you how you can open all of these other pages, like the edit page, for example, the fusion page. All of them can be opened here as well. And DaVinci Resolve also updated to DaVinci Resolve 21. This is a massive update that we got here, and I made this video here, the update video 21. It's 1 hour 25 minutes. Definitely check out this video because I show you every little single feature from that new update that we can even use here on the iPad. And because of that, I run a sale right now, a discount sale, DaVinci 21% on my iPad masterclass from beginner to pro, where I teach you everything about DaVinci Resolve on the iPad. So if you were on the fence and you wanted to learn DaVinci Resolve and learn everything that you need to learn to make better videos on the iPad on the go, then this is the right masterclass for you. Use the code DVR21 all together in the checkout to get 21% off of the DaVinci Resolve iPad masterclass. This is the sale that I'm running just at the moment for the update of DaVinci Resolve 21. And then we see each other in the community of DaVinci Resolve and the masterclass, and we see us in the next video. I'm Daniel. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, ding-a-ding in the bang bang gong, and we see us in the next video. Bye.